one way to deal with this is to find out where the areas of higher risk for collisions are, and then maybe assess how that overlap with the habitats of the whales. So you can promote conservation by, for example, switching the ship lanes. We started by putting Argos tags on the blue whales in their feeding ground of the Chilean Patagonia. So this study, what's doing is it's providing another element for the local authorities to look at the habitat of the whales and the threats and say, okay, can we change anything in what we've done so far to protect these whales to, improve the protection?